As we start a new year, it's a good time to reflect on the one that's passed. 2022 was a year of change and challenge, with international conflict, rising energy and cost of living pressures facing communities here and around the world. It also saw communities have the chance to rebuild and renew vital bonds after the pandemic. The opening again of the places, spaces, the moments that bring people together and help unleash the remarkable power of community. As the largest funder of community activity in the UK, we are here for you. Last year, we were proud to award £600 million of National Lottery funding, 14,000 grants across the UK. That's a grant to a community somewhere in the UK every 7 minutes. Soon, we will be sharing the results of our annual Community Research Index. This surveys over 8,000 adults. It digs deeper into how people are feeling about their communities and their ambitions for their local area in the year ahead. From this, we can see communities predicting mounting pressure on local community-run services. We have committed £75 million to cost of living funding. We will help existing grant holders, we will keep all our funding open and increase our flexibility, and we're going to keep this under constant review. The results also show this sense of community holds strong. 2023 will be an important time for us here at the National Lottery Community Fund. We will launch our strategy later this year. Over recent months, we've been having important conversations, listening to what we've been told. Thank you to everyone who's taken time to contribute their ideas and feedback to this process. As we start 2023, I also wanted to pay tribute and thank all colleagues and partners of the fund, our thousands of grant holders who work tirelessly to make a difference to people and communities across the UK. And of course, a big thank you to National Lottery players who make it all possible.